Hello everyone. As promised, this video is a supplement to the instructional session on how to use your portable microscope. And so this time I'm able to show it to you from my perspective. Here is the portable microscope. Okay, and I'm not showing it to you with the stand that it comes with because I don't, mine broke a long time ago. It's really not the most important thing. But here's the microscope itself. And then it comes with this USB attachment here. And if you break this back, it also has the old type of Samsung charge port. So that's how it can actually attach to your computer, or if you have a device that uses this particular old type of charging port, you can plug it in that way. If you have a new type of charge port like I do, the manufacturer also provides you with an adapter. And so I need to use that adapter, so I'm going to try to show it to you here. So you can just plug it in directly this way. Like that. Sorry, I can't show it to you while I'm doing it. Okay, so if you plug it in that way, now I can plug it into my phone. Okay. So if I plug it into my phone here, sorry for the image quality, but I think you'll get it. The trouble with it is that sometimes it takes a little bit of finagling to get it to talk, but once it starts talking, the camera should light up. Okay. Now, sometimes I have trouble getting it to talk well here, but the app that you want to use is called microscopes on the Samsung. You can get it. You can download it directly from the Play Store there on the Samsung. So it's called microscopes. And if I open that, it comes up with this screen. And what it's telling me right now is that it's not detecting a camera. That usually means to me that I've got to play with it a little bit to, messing with the connections, basically. So actually I need my other hand to do it. So what I'm doing right now is basically messing with the connections. And now the camera is talking to, the portable microscope is talking to the camera on my phone. And so now I can use the microscope to look at specimens. So my Santa Cruz Island ironwood and my dead fly here. So if I come over here, I can look directly at the specimen, and I can use this toggle, the silver toggle, to zoom in and out. So if I toggle back and forth, it gets fuzzier and it gets focused in. So it's pretty simple to use. Just like that. The same thing here. For the fly, just come down on it, and I can get it that way. But I'm just gonna keep it over here on the ironwood here for a moment. So for the purposes of lab this week, I've asked you to create a recording of 2 to 5 minutes in length where you are noting and questioning and reflecting back on what you are experiencing. And so I want you to actually do a recording if you use the microscopes app like I'm on right now. This is very straightforward to do. Again, this is a free app. So the way you can do that is you can come here on, I'm using the most updated version. You can take pictures right here, just like that. And if you come up here to what looks like this little camcorder, tap the camcorder, and now this means that I am recording. And so it's not only recording what I'm seeing here on the portable microscope, but it's also recording my voice. And so now I can narrate what I'm seeing directly into my phone. And this records as a video on my phone, basically the same exact way as if you were shooting a video using the native camera on your phone. So, however you do that, that's how this works. And so I'm talking, I'm observing different things about the leaf anatomy here on the Santa Cruz Island ironwood. I'm noting how different the xylem structure is on the Santa Cruz Island ironwood relative to the Santa Catalina Island ironwood. The Lionothamnus floribundus subspecies Aspensiofolius versus the subspecies floribundus. Why is the xylem structure different? I don't know. They are, again, the same species, just different subspecies. It's, what are some other things we can note? I note how on the main vein here, let's see if I can capture it one-handed. So, it really takes two hands to get a good view of it here. I wonder why the main vein on the Santa Cruz Island ironwood is so hairy. There it is. What are these hairs for? What's their purpose? I think that they might be for water retention or sun reflection, because Santa Cruz Island is a pretty dry island. And so for the purposes of your recording that I've asked you to submit for this week's lab, I'd like you to do this. I'm recording right now on my phone. What I'll do now is now that I'm done recording, I can go ahead and hit stop right here. Okay, and so now I'm done recording on the actual app. And if I come down here to this little picture JPEG icon here, click on that, and it'll come up. It'll distinguish between images and videos. I am more interested in my video because that's the assignment. And there is the video right there. So if I click on it, and now this means that I am recording. See? And so it's not only recording. So that's the actual video. 2 minutes and 23 minutes I spoke. So I'm 23 seconds past the minimum. I would like you, don't do the minimum, go up to 5 minutes because it can be really interesting. I really look forward to seeing what you have to say. You only have to do this on one of the 5 specimens from this week. And so now that I've recorded the video, I can go ahead and click this share button here. And now it gives me the option of where can I send this. If you have the Canvas app on your phone, you can probably just upload the video directly to Canvas. But however you prefer to manage your videos, I myself prefer to use Google Photos, or you can upload directly to Google Drive, OneDrive. You can email it to yourself with Outlook or Gmail. Whatever you if you have a YouTube channel, you can upload it there. I use Google Photos. That's just my preferred, multimedia app, and I can upload it. And then I can really quickly, quite easily get the MP4 from there, and upload that image, that video, to Canvas. So I've asked you to upload an MP4 video or a clickable link. An MP4 video or an MP4 file would be preferred, and upload that to that designated portal for this week's lab. And this is in addition to the notebook entry. And so I do want, I think I ascribed a different, point value, but I would like both components to be there for full points. So please record this and let me know if you have any questions. I hope this tutorial was helpful.